Okay, guys, today I'm directing my first movie. Now, I really want us to think big. Epic stunts, high-speed chases, and lots of action. Who's with me? Right. Not the start I was hoping for. Where is everyone?
They all called in sick. Apparently something called the Super Sniffles?
The Super Sniffles? Not to worry. I'm sure we'll figure something out.
Do you want me to reschedule?
No, para nada. We're going ahead as planned. Time to discover the true identity of the masked villain. I don't believe it! Dr. Blob! Oh, right. I guess I'm just gonna have to channel my inner blob. Prepare to be absorbed into my gloopy blobosphere. Dr. Blob, I thought your mom didn't let you stay up this late. Mom moved my bedtime an hour later. Cut!
I don't see cut in the script.
Dr. Blob, I love what you're doing, but can we make the laugh a little more blobby? Sorry, of course. Blah, 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 blah. How was that? Perfect. Moving on. Time for you to go home, Dr. Blob. Corte! Cut! Great work, everyone.
Oh, you must be exhausted.
I'm okay. I'm fine. I could do it again. I wanna do it again.
Why don't we have some lunch first? Come on.
Surprise! Congratulations on your first movie, Peach.
I thought you all had the Super Sniffles.
That's what we wanted you to think.
We pretended to have sniffles so you wouldn't guess we were throwing you a surprise party.
We took the whole day off from helping you make a movie to throw a party congratulating you on making a movie.
So, how did it go?
We'll just leave this slice of cake by your pillow.
Come on, everyone. Let's
Test tubes. Bunsen burners. A science machine!
It also makes milkshakes.
This is the perfect lab setting for my monster movie. All right, everyone, let's get into costumes.
Sciencey brain man. I'm the mayor.
Ah, hello, Mayor. You're just in time for the unveiling of my genius invention that will stop the monster in its tracks.
I, too, have a plan to stop the monster. We all change into candy, and then...
We can have candy once my super suit saves the city. Time for me to suit up.
But what about my plan?
Yeah. We'll do your plan for the next monster. Super Scooter ready! Activate flying power! I'll get you! Monster!
Scooter, I just got a message from the chief of police. Apparently the citizens are now more afraid of you than the monster. Do you think we can try my idea?
They won't be scared of me when they see my super strength! Ah! The suit's out of control! I'm not telling it to do any of this!
Hey, monster!
As if anything could distract me from my destructive rampage.
Oh, candy! Delicious candy! Mika, her plan, it's working.
I've got you cornered, walking candy sausage.
Hey, monster!
As if anything could stop me from...
Oh, other candy!
Scooter! You're doing my plan!
Come on, a little closer, a little closer. Now, Mika!
As if any box could contain me!
Ooh, it's cozy in here.
Monster vanquished. Phew! We made quite a team, Mayor Mika. And sorry I was such a jerk. I really should have listened to you. Mika?
Candy. Listen to what now?
Okay, let's see. Scooter's trapped in a tall tower, guarded by a fearsome dragon in the middle of an enchanted forest. Our hero for this quest is...
Mika, the talking sandwich! Ready, set, go!
Mika, this is a fantasy movie. You know, like wizards and dragons.
And sandwiches!
Well, not exactly. Come on, everyone. Let's get into costume. Vamos!
And so, our adventure begins.
Not so fast. You may cross this bridge only if you can transform into my favorite thing.
Your favorite thing, what could it be?
Mika, isn't it obvious? She clearly loves...
Penguins!
Penguins? You think I like penguins? I love penguins. On you go.
Let's see. To get past a ferocious Yeti, you must find the one thing it fears most.
Yeah! Stop right there! No one passes into the tower, not even the guys who clean the tower! It's a very dirty tower.
You need to transform into something scary, Mika.
Like a lion? Or a tiger? Or a liger? It's a lion and a tiger combined.
I think I've got a better idea.
What? Smiling? Smiling everywhere! Too much happiness! Ah!
Come on, let's go save Scooter.
My heroes! You've come to save me.
Huh? Who dares to enter my messy tower? You may have gotten past the penguin-loving unicorn and the grumpy yeti, but you'll never get past me.
I've got an idea.
Show yourselves.
But get away from my friend.
What? A talking sandwich? Ah! It's talking food!
Genius, Mika. Absolute genius.
All in a day's work for Mika the Talking Sandwich. Now let's go home.
Watch out for the dirty socks.
Okay, guys. Are we ready to blast off on space heroes working together to save the galaxy? Yay! Teamwork! Vamos! Let's get into our space uniforms. Perfecto! All of our uniforms are exactly alike.
Aw, you guys look so adorable.
Missy, we're all supposed to match.
Oh, okay. Ta-da! Ah! Gotcha. No lights.
Ahem. Missy, your tail?
Are the fireworks too much?
Missy, please just make yourself look exactly like everyone else and come join us.
It's no fun if I have to look like everyone else. Guys, I think you're gonna have to do the rest of the movie without me.
Oh no, Missy. Are you okay?
I'm fine. Just a mild case of sniffly, snuffly, snoofly-itis.
Oh my. Well, be sure to rest up and drink plenty of fluids.
Wow! Look at that alien green. I simply must have you as the star in my new sci-fi movie.
The star?
Come on, follow me! Zoom in tight. Closer, closer. I only want to see our star. Perfect.
Biko, are there any scenes where I get to wear flashy, fabulous clothes? Because I'm really good at that.
You can wear whatever you like. It's okay, the lasers aren't real. Well, except that.
Are we almost done?
Very almost. I'll be right back with more goo.
I'm feeling better, guys. Mind if I rejoin the team?
Of course. But everyone needs to be wearing the exact same thing.
I know.
Costume change!
Oh, wow! We look so adorable! Thanks, Peach.
Hey, we needed a bit of Missy magic.
And hit the goo!
Biko, you aren't even directing this movie!
True, I just love goo.